Hi, this is Garrett. I'm the Chief Operating Officer. I was using Salesforce Sales Cloud, but I moved over to SharpSpring. And if you want to know the reasons why, click the links below. Both of these programs are actually really good as CRMs, allow you to bring in leads, track what your leads are doing, get them into an actual sales funnel, and be able to assign tasks to different people and different projects. So I really think both programs are excellent as a CRM. The SharpSpring platform is really best at being able to grow a marketing agency or your company because they allow you to really white label what you're doing and be able to replicate it between instances, as well as bringing in a great plethora of API options to be able to work with different platforms and having almost all in the box into one. So it's a great platform to be able to do many different types of things relating to email marketing, CRM, social media, and whatnot, all into a simple program that you can rebrand and resell if needed. Salesforce Sales Cloud is really a great program as a CRM and really meant for more established companies where you're going to have 100 to 1,000 employees or more, but it's really being able to get down to the nitty gritty and work with some very intense marketing and analytic techniques. So both Salesforce Sales Cloud and SharpSpring are great programs, and you can implement them into just about any business. One thing is with Salesforce, it is going to be a longer process because it's a more intricate program. So you're going to have to set up a lot of different items to get rolling. And some of that stuff is going to take some more technical expertise. SharpSpring, on the other hand, you can get rolling in a couple days if needed. It is really user-friendly and built to be able to be run by a single person or a large corporation. So both are going to be very good for your corporation, but I think SharpSpring is a little bit easier to implement on a personnel level than SharpSpring Sales Cloud. When you're considering a CRM program like SharpSpring or Salesforce Sales Cloud, there are a couple things you really need to consider. One is how intricate of a program do you need? And that gets down to the automations and APIs. If you are going to need it to work with everything out there and have it very secure, you might lean a little bit more towards Salesforce Sales Cloud. Whereas if you're looking to get something up and running within a day, a week, or even a month, you're going to look at something like SharpSpring that is very easy to implement, get going, and you can really get that whole program up and running in less than a day if needed. And that's where Salesforce is going to be more of a project, typically needs almost like a 3-month roundup. The other thing is the level of automation that you want. Both are going to be good at base automations. One is going to be a little bit better, and that's going to be a little bit more around Salesforce. Is going to have a lot of automation, but it takes a lot of work on the back end, where SharpSpring, it's very easy to create the automations. It just doesn't have the very high end. So I would regard SharpSpring as really a mid-level CRM that's going to do just about anything that you want it to do and is going to be up and working for you right away. So I think those are the two big things. The last thing is the price. SharpSpring is very friendly to the pocketbook. If you're using it for a lot of employees, SharpSpring is going to be very inexpensive. Salesforce Sales Cloud is based on a per user, and they usually are going to be very affordable for if you only have like 1 or 2 people on it. But if you're going to start using it for 20, 30, 50 people, that's where the prices really start to get up there. So it's very important you need to know how many people are going to be using the program so you can find out which one's going to be more affordable for you.